Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix Epic Games not launching on PC. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If Epic Games Launcher is not launching on your PC, you can try the following troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. Method 1. Restart your computer. A simple restart can often solve various software issues, including problems with the Epic Games Launcher. Method 2. Run as administrator. Step 1. Right-click on the Epic Games Launcher shortcut. Step 2. Select Run as administrator. Running the launcher with administrative privileges might help overcome permission-related issues. Method 3. Check Task Manager. Step 1. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Step 2. Look for any instances for the Epic Games Launcher or related processes. Step 3. End these processes. Step 4. Try launching the Epic Games Launcher again. Method 4. Disable Antivirus Firewall. Temporarily disable your antivirus and firewall to check if they are causing the issue. If the launcher starts working, you might need to add exceptions or configure your security software to allow Epic Games Launcher. Method 5. Clear up data. Step 1. Press Win plus R to open the Run dialog. Step 2. Type %up data % and press enter. Step 3. Locate the Epic Games folder. Step 4. Delete the Epic Games folder. Step 5. Try launching the Epic Games Launcher again. Method 6. Check for updates. Ensure that both the Epic Games Launcher and your operating system are up to date. Update Windows and make sure you have the latest version of the launcher. Method 7. Reinstall Epic Games Launcher. Step 1. Uninstall the Epic Games Launcher from your PC. Step 2. Download the latest version from the official Epic Games website. Step 3. Install the launcher and try launching it again. Method 8. DirectX and Visual C++ with distributables. Ensure that your system has the latest DirectX version and Microsoft Visual C++ with distributable packages installed. You can download these from the official Microsoft website. Method 9. Check system requirements. Verify that your PC meets the minimum system requirements for running the Epic Games Launcher. Method 10. Windows Compatibility Mode. Step 1. Right-click on the Epic Games Launcher shortcut. Step 2. Select Properties. Step 3. Go to the Compatibility tab. Step 4. Check Run this program in compatibility mode for and choose an earlier version of Windows. Step 5. Click Apply and then hit OK. Step 11. Check for error messages. If there's an error messages when you try to launch the Epic Games Launcher, Take note of it. You can't use this information to search for specific solutions online or contact Epic Games support. If the issue persists after trying these steps, it might be beneficial to reach out to Epic Games support for further assistance. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.